Today I went to grab a few groceries, and in Israel, it's the end of their Passover week. Today is the last day, and it's their Hag. It's another day of rest. And as I watched the men in long white shiny robes coming back from their mikvah and later on the way to synagogue, I got to thinking about our people and how we get lost in our own tradition that doesn't represent Elohim. You know, Yeshua says we have to be careful because our tradition causes us to transgress the law of Elohim. I'm not pointing my finger at anyone. I'm just saying that the word cautions us against tradition. We were told that this is the second month, and we were told that the earth would be dry and brown, and all the grain and all the earth would be busted by now. This is, for some, the second month in the biblical calendar. In fact, it's the third week in the second month. And yet, my Israel is so beautiful. I think it's easy to say those things and walk away, get back on the airplane and go home and never be accountable for your words. I have watched for so many years as people have proclaimed their theology and then left, how it absolutely does not fit what happens in Israel. And it's not that I'm so smart, but it's that I have a front row seat and I keep watching after everyone goes home. This year, I'm convinced that the Father wants us to know that He's in control of His calendar. Nobody but Him decides what happens on this land. It's not how much the sun shines. It's not how long the barley plant has been on the earth. It's about what Elohim wills and desires every year within His calendar. I think it's good to remember as we enter the third week of the second month of the biblical calendar for some people that it's about meeting with Elohim. We are meeting with Him. He picks the appointment times and He does it by the earth in Israel. He decides when the rains will begin and the earth will release the plants, and He decides when the rains will end and the earth will begin to dry. We don't control those things, and we shouldn't pretend like we know what He's going to do in any given year, because every year it's different. We should try to follow what Elohim is doing on the earth and not lead the calendar for Him. Last month, the wheat that was offered in the temple did not come out at Passover. There is domestic wheat, but there is no wild wheat for last month. It's only the wild grains, both barley and wheat, that absolutely reflect the calendar of Elohim. After watching it for 11 years, I won't do anything else. Because Yeshua is the wheat seed that fell to earth and died to bring forth many. And it was a specific wheat that was used during His time that gives me the correct timing. See, it's not about my timing. It's not about your timing. It's the prophetic picture of Yeshua and who He came to be. If it's anything else, we have totally missed what Elohim had planned for His people. There's only 30 days of green barley. We can only harvest the land on Wave Sheaf Day. and the barley will only live so many days, so we can count on it maturing. These are all theologies that have failed on the land of Israel. Yeshua said that the law of Moses was written about him and the prophets and the Psalms. So if what we're doing with our understanding of the biblical calendar does not represent Yeshua, if we cannot tell about redemption by the decisions we have made for the biblical calendar, then we don't yet have the right timing.